Okay, so imagine this. You're lying in bed, you're walking the dog, or you're stuck in traffic, and suddenly you get an idea. You need a website built, a presentation put together, or some research done. Normally you'd think, well, I'll do that later when I'm back at my computer. But what if you could just text an AI agent the same way you text a friend, and it actually goes and does the whole thing for you? That's exactly what we're gonna set up today, and I promise you it's easier than it sounds. So in this video, I'll show you how to use Runable's AI agent right inside Imessage and Telegram, using a feature they call RunClaw. And real quick before we start, this video is done in partnership with Runable, so I've dropped a link down in the description below. If you use that link to create your account, you're supporting the channel, and it genuinely helps me keep making these tutorials for you, so thank you in advance for that. All right, let's get into it. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to runable.com and create your account. Go ahead and use the link in the description to sign up. You can register with your email, your Google account, or whatever option is easiest for you. Once you're signed in, you'll land inside the Runable workspace, and this is where all the magic is connected. Now here's the thing you need to understand about RunClaw. It's not a separate app. It's not some watered down version of the AI. It's the exact same Runable agent with your same account, your same credits, and your same memory, just living inside the messaging apps you already use every single day. So instead of opening a website every time you need something, you literally just send a text, same brain, different doorway. So let's connect it. Inside the Runable web app, look at the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon. Then go into settings. Once you're there, find the tab that says RunClaw and click on it. This is your control center for connecting all the messaging platforms, and you'll see options like Telegram, iMessage, Slack, and Discord, each with its own connect button. Let's start with Telegram, because honestly, this is the fastest one to set up. It takes about 30 seconds. Click connect on the Telegram card and you'll see a QR code along with a link. If you're on your phone, just scan that QR code. If you're already on your computer, tap the link. Either way, it opens up a chat with the Runable bot inside Telegram. Then all you have to do is tap the start button. That's it. The moment you tap start, your Telegram is linked to your Runable account and the bot sends you a little welcome message to confirm you're connected. From that point on, you just talk to it like it's a contact in your phone. Now let's do iMessage, which is perfect for all my Apple users out there, because this syncs across your iPhone, your iPad, and your Mac. Go back to that same RunClaw tab in Settings, and this time click Connect on the iMessage card. You'll get a QR code and a short code to link your account. Scan that QR with your iPhone, or send the code to the Runable phone line right from your Messages app. Just a heads up, that link expires in 10 minutes, so don't wander off and make a sandwich in the middle of it. Once it goes through, you'll see a success message, and now you've got an AI agent sitting right there in your text messages, ready whenever you are. So now the fun part. What do you actually do with it? Well, you just message it in plain normal language, exactly like you're texting a person. You can say something like, build me a simple website for my bakery with a menu and a contact form, or create a 5-slide presentation about healthy morning habits. Or even, do some research on the best small business tools and summarize it for me. You send the message, the agent gets to work, and the response streams right back into your chat. And here's the part I really love. When the agent builds something visual like a website or a presentation or an image, it doesn't just leave you hanging with text, it sends you a preview or a live link right there in the conversation. If it's a website, you get the actual live URL. For other stuff, you tap the link and it opens up in the full Runable web app where you can view it, tweak it, and polish it however you want. You can even attach files to your messages, so you can send it a document or a photo, and it'll work with that too, just like attaching a file to any normal text. Now here's a couple of handy tricks. Both Telegram and iMessage support little slash commands to control your session. If you type /new chat, it starts a fresh conversation, so you're not mixing up two different projects. Type /open chat, and you'll get a link that syncs your current session over to the Runable app. And if you ever want more power for a heavier task, you can switch between the model tiers, which are normal mode and max mode. Type /info, and it'll show you the full list of commands anytime you forget. And if you ever want to unplug any of this, it's just as simple as setting it up, go back to Settings, into the RunClaw tab, and click Disconnect on whichever platform you want to remove. Done. No mess. No complicated steps. So that's really the whole idea here. Instead of sitting down at a desk to get things done, you've now got a genuinely capable AI agent living inside the apps you already check 100 times a day. You text it, it works, and the results come right back to your thread. It honestly starts to feel less like using software and more like having a really talented assistant in your pocket. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use an AI agent inside iMessage and Telegram with Runable's RunClaw. Don't forget, the sign up link is waiting for you down in the description, and using it really does support the channel. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more, and I'll see you in the next one.